Have you ever tried making money online with surveys, or maybe you have already do survey but you only earn a little money? What if I told you that getting better paying survey is not just about luck? Many people struggle because they do survey the wrong way. They get low paying surveys, they get disqualified or miss good opportunity. In this video, I will show you how experienced survey users set things up, the tools they use, and how they increase their earning opportunity to get better surveys. So I will be teaching you everything in this video. If you're new here, my name is Wise, and on this channel I share videos about making money online business ideas, and helpful tools that can help you earn from the internet with just your phone, from the comfort of your home. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Also, if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below and I'll be ready to give answer to all your questions. Now, before we continue, I'll let you to know important things that you need to know about any surveys. The first thing you need to understand is that not all surveys pays the same amount. For example, a survey that pays someone $5 in one country may only pay another person $1 or even less in a different country. Why does this happen? Because the company that creates surveys are often looking for people from specific country, age group, job, or lifestyle. This means that the opportunity you see can depend on where the survey platform think you are located. So in order to get good survey, in order to get high paying surveys, what are the tools that you need to use? Many experienced survey users use special tools to manage their accounts and assess surveys opportunity. One of those tools is called a proxy. A proxy help create a more stable connection for certain online activities. Some people use VPN, yes, some people use VPN, but many survey users prefer quality proxies instead. Me too, I prefer using proxies. If you want a video tutorial on how proxy work and how you can set up your proxy, the video up here, click on the video up here, or the one in the description to know how to use a proxy. Now, how do you choose a survey platform? After setting up your tools, the next step is choosing a survey platform. There are hundreds of survey websites online, but only a few constantly offer good opportunity. One survey app that many users don't talk about, that I don't really sure if they talk about it, is Eruke Survey. Today we'll be using that survey as an example, starting with creating your account. Creating an account is usually simple. Most survey platform will ask for an email address, a password, sometimes a phone number for verification. After signing up, you will normally receive a verification email. Open the email and click the verification link. Then follow the instruction to complete your registration. Once your account is ready, open the survey app and complete your profile. Make sure your information is accurate. Survey companies use your profile information to decide which survey to show you. The more complete your profile is, the better your chance of receiving survey invitation. One of the biggest survey mistakes people make. Now, this is the part where most people fail. Creating an account is easy. Qualifying for survey is the hard part. Have you ever answered survey question for several minutes and then suddenly receive a message saying, sorry, you do not qualify for this survey? I've experienced it. That's happened because survey companies are looking for specific type of people. They may be looking for parents, students, business owner, gamers, people who shop online, or even people who use certain products. If you do not match what they are looking for, you may not be qualified, or even if you qualify and discover later on, you might be disqualified and you will lose your money, waste your time on that survey. So if you want to make money through surveys and getting better chance of invitation, here are some simple tips that you need to take note of. Number one, complete your profile fully. I already tell you that. Always answer questions honestly and consistently. 3, check survey app daily because good surveys fill up quickly. 4, use trusted surveys platform. 5, be patient. Not every survey will accept you. The more survey you try, the better you will understand which one will work best for you. If you want more survey tips, online income ideas and updates, you can join my Telegram community and share additional resources there that I don't post on YouTube. You will find the link in the description and pin comment. You can use those links to join. And that is it for today's video. I hope you learned something useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss this kind of video. So at any time I edit video just like this, you will get notified. Thank you for watching and I'll be seeing you on the next video.